Hey, Saturday night and we're doing a bit of a barbecue, but tonight what we're doing is vegetables, so it's all vegetarian. It's quite good to do vegetables on a barbecue. Bit of coconut oil, corn on the cob. Just rubbed a bit of coconut oil on the corn as well. And over here we've got some broccoli which has been cut right through the head and coated with a bit of paprika and some herbs and a bit of coconut oil. So these are broccoli steaks basically. So we're going to have one of these each tonight. And here we've got some whole mushrooms. So these mushrooms, I've just rubbed a little bit of coconut oil into them as well. Love that old coconut oil and everything. Going to cook those whole. And then these capsicums, which are just going to go on the grill.